Hello everyone. If you're a car enthusiast, you've come to the right place. Here, we dive into the latest, most exciting vehicles hitting the roads, and today, we're talking about a game changer, the Tata Safari EV 2024. If you not subscribe my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon for more content. Tata Motors has taken a bold step into the future with this all-electric version of the iconic Safari. With its rugged design, powerful performance, and eco-friendly technology, this SUV is set to redefine the electric vehicle market in India and beyond. The Safari EV 2024 offers an impressive range, cutting-edge features, and a spacious, luxurious interior that keeps comfort a top priority. Whether you're looking for a family SUV or an adventure companion, this electric beast is built to deliver. Stay tuned as we explore its performance, charging capabilities, advanced technology, and real-world driving experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in the automotive world. Let me know what you think about the Tata Safari EV in the comments below. Would you consider going electric with this SUV? Let's discuss.